guys, welcome. Testing, testing. Hey guys, welcome. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. Let me know if you guys can hear me okay. Testing, testing. Can you guys hear me okay? Hold on. Yes, you guys can hear me? All right, great, great. All right, guys. Let's get to it. As you guys see here, we have a whole new setup. So a whole new studio. All right. So it's just gonna take a little getting used to here. All right. So welcome, guys. Let me share my screen. All right. All right. So you guys should see the platform here. 1 second here. Let's see here. Hold on. This is all new. All right. All right, guys. Let's go over the markets. All right. As you guys know, all right, markets have been a bit tricky. All right. But we're gonna go right into big picture. All right, big picture. I want to take a look at the pound yen. All right, you guys know that we've been trading the yen pairs, and they've been doing really, really well. All right, so we want to stay with that. All right, pound yen on the monthly time frame, guys, breaking out of a big resistance here. So we're going to talk about Forex this evening. All right. We'll touch on equities just a bit, but mainly Forex, in particular the yen pairs. All right. Hey, Simon, welcome. Simon, welcome. Hey, Anthony, welcome, Anthony. Hey, Waverly, welcome, welcome. All right, guys. So yen pairs. So just make a note of that. Our monster scalper traders. All right. Just remember the yen pairs, pound yen making a big move higher on the monthly time frame. We've been talking about that, even on the weekly time frame. All right, pound yen, and remember, pound yen is the big leader. All right, so pound yen will lead the Forex pairs. All right, so just remember that big picture. All right. Pound yen still leading, still moving higher on both the monthly and the weekly time frame. Okay. If we look here, no, we'll go through current positions. All right. But if we look here, no, Monster Forex Tracker, all right, you guys will see here that the yen pairs are all blue here. That's a big deal. All right. All blue mean, right? They're going up. All right. On the 60-minute, on the 240, all right, and also on the daily time frame. All right. So we want to stay with those yen pairs. All right. Now, on as far as volatility, Forex volatility, we've got about 50% volatility on the daily. All right. On the 240, we've got about, what's that? About 80% volatility. That's good. And also on the 60-minute. All right. And look at Aussie. Look at Aussie yen here, guys. Look at this great price action here on the 60. All right. On the 240 and on the daily. So we want to stay with All right. Stay with those yen pairs. All right. Quick look here at Monster Scalper. Now we're going to go back and forth. All right. I want to show you guys what's going on here. On the 60-minute time frame, look at this. All right. All that buying in here. All right. And on the 240 also. Okay. All right. So just remember Forex, Monster Scalper, yen pairs, guys. Yen pairs. Okay. Now we might have some opportunities in the dollar pairs. All right. Dollar index is trying to make a move. Okay. Holding firm here. Green candles are coming in. Currently it's up. All right. But really needs to get past resistance here. All right. With the buy signal to really get going. So just be aware of that. Okay. You could get some opportunities in the dollar pairs. And right now, a few of the dollar pairs are trying to make a move. So dollar ZAR, all right, making a move right now. But guess what? No buy signal. All right, dollar ZAR, USD MXN, all right, making a move now, but no buy signal. So those yen pairs, okay, guys, yen pairs. Current positions in Monster Scalper. Let's go through those on the 60-minute time frame, okay? 60-minute time frame. And most of these are the yen pairs, okay? All right. All right. So euro yen, guys, euro yen, buy signal here. All right. Buy signal here on a break of resistance right here. All right. Euro yen, that buy signal came in right at 170.40. All right. Trading at 170.87. All right. So great trade going here on the 60-minute time frame. All right. We've gotten past resistance here. All right. Which is good. All right. So euro yen, 60-minute buy signal keeps moving higher. Great trade going here. Remember, yen pairs. All right. Unless things change. Aussie yen. All right. Same thing here with Aussie yen. All right. We've got a good buy signal here on a break of, we got past resistance, near-term resistance right here. Look at the previous trade. All right. Bought here, sold here, buy signal here on a break of this resistance, guys. And price is moving up nicely here. We're getting past resistance right here. All right. Aussie yen, pound yen. All right. Another great trade. Buy signal here, moving up nicely. So you guys see what's going on. And pound yen, we looked at big picture on pound yen. Okay. So we know pound yen on weekly, monthly, moving up nicely. Here it is on the 60-minute time frame. Buy signal here, moving up nicely here. Near-term resistance right here. All right. Near-term resistance right here. So all green candles, let them go. All right. Just let them lead the way. Now, all right, we need a nice move. All right. You guys know it's been choppy. So if you guys are trading, our Monster Scalper traders, really, you want to be on this move. Okay. You want to be on this move. I got a few traders on this move. Weebly's on here. Right. She got on this trade, and Monica got on some of these trades. Okay. So those of you, if you're not trading these yen pairs, try to get on these trades. Okay. No guarantee, but guys, that's the best move right now. All right. So pound yen, buy signal here, moving up nicely. And we know pound yen will move. Aussie yen. All right. Aussie yen, buy signal, moving up nicely. Did we say Aussie yen? And ZAR yen, buy signal here, holding. Okay. Aussie Swiss. Aussie Swiss closed that trade, guys. So we're done with Aussie Swiss. Buy signal was here on a break of resistance. Nice big candle. All right. We had resistance here. We made it to that area, but hit support right here. So we should be out. All right. So we bought here, sold here. Right. A lot of resistance right here for Aussie Swiss. So close the trade, please. Aussie Swiss, close the trade. All right, USD PLN, just holding right here. Keep an eye on it. As a matter of fact, nothing is happening here. Price is hitting previous resistance, is support. So I would say close this, right? All right, close this right here. If buyers come back in, we might get in. All right, but very choppy in here. All right, we'll stay with the yen pairs for now. All right, so USD PLN, nothing is happening here. Close the trade, please. All right, USD SEK, buy signal is here. Now it's holding so far. Here's your markdown phase. Mark up. Keep an eye on this one, guys. You guys know how the dollar pairs have been trading, so they've been choppy. All right, we've got resistance right here. All right, buy signal here. All right, a lot of resistance right here. And it is near that resistance, white candle. That is a concern. We need buyers to come back in. If this white candle here turns red or you get a sell signal, just get out, okay? Before the selling really comes in like here and here. So USD SEK will hold it for now. All right. All right. Those on the 60-minute. Let's take a look at the 240. All right. 240-minute in Monster Scalper. We still do not have any shorts, okay? No shorts. All right. So again, yen pair, Swiss yen. Look at Swiss yen, guys. Buy signal all the way down here. All right. All the way down here. Trading nicely. All right. All green candles. So buy signal here. Look at this trade on the 240, guys. 240-minute time frame. Here we are right at resistance, looking for a break of that resistance. If we get that, we could move much higher. Great trade going here. Swiss yen. That's the best trade right now. All right. Hold on one second. I want to see what's the number one pair in Forex. So Swiss yen is not even the number one pair right now. Pound Aussie, pound ZAR. Good shorts here in pound ZAR. Pound CAD. All right, so the pound pairs are leading, a few of the pound pairs, and then the yen pairs are moving higher. Swiss yen, where's Swiss yen? Where is Swiss yen? Swiss yen should be up here. Is Swiss yen even in here? Hold on. Yeah, it's all the way down. Swiss yen is all the way down here. That is strange. Oh, I see why. So it's consolidating right here. All right. So let me show you guys here. This is a little different here. Okay. All right. So what it's measuring right here is this consolidation. So it's been moving nicely, but in the last week or so, it's been consolidating. That's why it's all the way down here. So it's measuring this consolidation right in here. All right. But it looks like it wants to break out. All right. So that's why there. So it's all the way down here. All right. But overall, trending. This is perhaps the biggest trend. Okay. All right. So Swiss yen, Euro yen. All right. Euro yen, fairly new breakout. So here's the setup here. And Waverly, this is your trade, I believe, euro yen. All right, so here is the V here, your V, your markdown. Not a great markdown. All right, buy signal here, and we're looking to break through that resistance here. All right, and here's the current candle. I'm breaking out right here. All right, so this end setup here, euro yen, dollar yen. All right, good trade here, guys, with dollar yen. A buy signal here. All right, moving up nicely. All right, moving up nicely here. All green candles. All right. If you guys are in this trade, don't mess it up. All right. Just stay with it. All right. Buy signal here, all green candles. This would have been an area to add. All right. New resistance level here, reaccumulation. All green candles, nothing to do here. All right. Now, those of you that are new to us, hey, Tylac, hey, buddy. Those of you who are new to us, okay, when you have candles like this, all green candles, and no support and resistance, just let them run. All right. When you get new support and resistance, then you can pay closer attention to it. All right. So buy signal here, really good price action. All green candles, nothing to do there. So let them run. All right. USD, JPY. All right. Pound yen, guys. Pound yen, this is on the 240. We looked at it on the 60-minute. Also on the monthly and weekly. All right. Those of you, I know pound yen can be an aggressive mover, volatile, right? But just remember, pound yen, guys, this is what it's doing on the monthly time frame. All right. It is definitely breaking out. Okay. Higher lows, higher highs. All right. You guys can see that there on the monthly time frame. That's every single month. It keeps moving higher. All right. So that's the monthly. Here's the weekly here. All right. So don't get shaken out of the trade on these smaller time frame. All right. If it pulls back like it did here, right, just close the trade and wait for the next buy signal. Stay with it. Do not short. Stay with it long. All right. A descent trade here, descent trade here. Here was a loss here, but just stay with it. Here's another buy signal here. And so far, that buy signal looks good on the 240, and it is getting past these sellers here, resistance here. Okay. So pound yen, try to stay with it. Okay, those are big moves, guys. Lots of pips with pound yen. Okay, all right. So try to stay with it. I know it's not easy. Try to stay with it. Aussie yen. All right, great trade going here. You guys see what's going on with this yen period. All right, Aussie yen. All right, we got past resistance here, buy signal here. Now this is where it was challenging. All right, right here where we're testing resistance. Let's move this. All right, testing resistance here and here where we failed here, failed here. This one, right, finally broke out. Okay, so buy signal here, all green candles here, higher lows, higher highs, nothing to do. Stay with the trade. All right, the yen pairs, I've been saying this, that's your best trade. Stay with them. Okay. All right, SGD JPY. SGD JPY, another good trade. Buy signal here on a break of resistance. This was choppy in here. All right, but we got past the sellers. All right, so got past sellers here. Buy signal here. Look at that move. All right, nice move. All green candles. We don't even have new support and resistance levels, guys. So stay with it. Okay, SGD JPY 240. All right. Nothing to do there. Good trade going. New Zealand yen. It's a fairly new trade here with New Zealand yen. All right, hold on. Look at the previous trade, guys. Great trading here. Bought here, sold here, right? Got us out a couple of times there, but right now, got a new trade right here. Buy signal on a break of resistance right here. Moving up nicely right here. Okay, so yen pairs, yen pairs, yen pairs. Okay, all right, Aussie, New Zealand. All right, buy signal here. Really good markdown phase right here. Buy signal on a break of this resistance. Holding firm target is here. But keep an eye on these Aussie pairs. Okay, keep an eye on those. All right. US 30. All right. US 30, guys. We have a buy signal on the US 30 on the 60-minute time frame. All right. No, we did not call this. Okay. So if you guys took it, good job. Great job. Okay. A decent trade here. We don't have any data coming out. Okay. I don't believe. I checked. We don't have any data coming out in the Euro session and in the New York session tomorrow. Okay. But I believe Tuesday. So we'll let you guys know on that, on the data, but no data. So this should hold, hopefully. Okay. That's on the 60. On the daily time frame, all right, we've got buyers coming in. That's encouraging. All right. So we finally got green candles coming in. All right. So we need to get to that resistance and hopefully break to the upside. All right. The Dow got a nice move last week. All right. Which is encouraging. So that could help. All right. The US 30 here. All right. NAS 100. NAS 100. Nothing yet. Okay. Just hold. Do not short it. Okay. So our US 30 traders, US NAS 100 traders, we have buy signals. All right. On the daily for the NAS. But if you look here on the 60-minute, all right, that buy signal closed. All right. Don't short this. Wait, because our overall trend is up. We have a buy signal or green candle. So our NAS 100 traders, just wait for the next buy signal. Okay. Do not short this. Just wait for the next buy signal there. Okay. S&P. So your SP 500, same thing here. All right. Same thing. Don't short it. We've had decent long trades here. All right. This one failed. This one worked out. This one worked out. Wait for the next buy signal. All right. We have buyers on the daily time frame right here. Okay. Bitcoin. Bitcoin. Okay. You guys remember that 64,000 was a big resistance level. All right. Right here. We've been talking about Bitcoin at 64 level. That's a concern. All right. That Bitcoin needed to hold above 64,000 to make another move higher. Well, guess what? Right now, guys, we are trading. Now, it did try. Okay. It did try, got up to as much as 70,000, but now Bitcoin is trading below 64,000. Okay. So keep an eye on Bitcoin. I don't think we have, hold on one second here. All right. So we don't have a buy signal. The last buy signal we had on Bitcoin, this on the daily time frame now, okay, was 418. All right. So 418. That was the last time. All right. So right now we do not have a buy signal. Now we've got red candles, right? So sellers are coming in. The last buy signal closed right here, guys. All right. So sellers are coming in, right? So right now, 63,510. The next support level on Bitcoin is here. So unless you're trading it on a smaller time frame, as far as longs, we shouldn't be in it long at all. Let's take a quick look at the 60-minute just to see. 60-minute, look at that, guys. All right. So we should not be. All right, definitely not on the daily. I can't imagine on the 240, even on the 60. All right, look at that. Look at that sell in there. Okay. 15-minute sell in here. So just be careful with Bitcoin. Okay. Just be careful. In order for Bitcoin to move higher, okay, on the daily time frame, it's got to get past resistance right here to get a buy signal, which is right at 71,000. So it's really got to get past that high. Okay. All right. It's done for now. It's done for now. Same with Ethereum. Where's Ethereum? Right here. Same thing. All right. Litecoin, same thing. Look at that. All right. Let's move this here. Okay. Bitcoin Cash, where is it? Right here. Same thing. You guys see that? All right. So if we open this up, we'll see that we are out. Right? Here's your markup phase. We are now in that distribution phase, getting into that markdown phase. Okay. So a lot has to happen. And this on the daily. So a lot has to happen for Bitcoin to start moving higher. Okay. That doesn't mean it can't. A lot would have to happen though. Okay. All right. Now we'll go through the market again tomorrow, but just to recap. All right, just to recap. S&P, you guys know our stock boss traders, bull master traders, okay, large caps have been doing well. All right, and that's because of the S&P and the NASDAQ. So our bull master pro traders, okay, those are the systems we want to trade right now. Okay, because that's what's S&P, NASDAQ push those two systems. You will notice your stock boss system kind of slow right now. That's because of the Russell. All right. So we're going to move things around. So now we're going to put more focus as moving forward. We're going to put more focus on the S&P. So you guys notice we've moved it here from here to here. The Dow was up here. We're going to move the Dow down here. Okay. The Russell, we're going to keep that the same place here. But the S&P and the NASDAQ, we want to put more focus in these two indexes here. All right. Buy signal is still holding on the S&P, holding firm. On the NASDAQ, buy signal here, holding firm. Although we got some buy-in last week on Thursday and Friday, we're still holding a buy signal, but you remember red candles here. In order to take the Dow seriously, we've got to get past resistance here. Okay. It would be great if we can get all these indexes, all right, with good buy signals, breaking resistance like the NASDAQ and the S&P, but that's not what's happening right now. All right. So our stock boss traders. All right, you guys should notice that we haven't been sending out any picks in Stock Boss, okay? And just be careful with Stock Boss because these small cap stocks, we're not getting a lot of movement, all right? Those of you who've been trading with us for a while, all right, I think we had 16, we got 24 now. Even 24 is not much. All right, in Stock Boss. That's it. That's all the trades here in Stock Boss. Okay, so we really need the Russell to develop. Now, Bull Master, right? Our Bull Master trader, you might have some more opportunities here, and then obviously Bull Master Pro. Okay, we'll go through more of this. Bull Master Pro have been doing really well. All right, those are all your large cap stocks with good fundamentals. All right. So they've been doing really, really well. So as we move forward and we'll look at equities this evening, just remember, all right, so the Dow right here, it's holding on the weekly. On the monthly, it's still holding. Now, these indexes are at all-time highs. All right, they are at all-time highs. The markets aren't crashing. All right, they're still holding. All right, so the Dow on the weekly, Dow on the monthly, S&P here on the weekly, S&P here on the monthly. Look at the S&P here, guys, on the monthly. This is all-time high territory. NASDAQ, look at the NASDAQ, buy signal here. Look at this. All right, there's no selling yet. All right, which is surprising. But hey, we follow the price action. As long as they keep buying, we can stay with the trade. Okay. NASDAQ on the weekly, NASDAQ on the monthly. We had a new buy signal on the monthly time frame on the NASDAQ just a few months ago, guys. On a break of this resistance, buy signal here. All right. And here we are, summer months. All right. And we get in buy signals. That's usually not the case. All right. But we do have an election year. And sometimes on these election years, they'll hold these markets up. Okay. I'm not saying that we can't have a correction, but right now, right, all these trends are pointing up. Okay. Here's your good V here. Here. All right. Here's your discount. Broke resistance buy signal here on the NASDAQ, guys, on the NASDAQ. All right. Big picture, monthly time frame, that's a big deal. And look, it's at all-time high territory. That's a big deal. So our Bull Master traders in particular, all right, and now we added Bull Master Pro, all right, take advantage of these opportunities, okay, especially with large cap. Okay, so let's go through those stocks and then get you guys out of here. Okay, so let's go through current positions, and Bull Master and Bull Master Pro. Okay, large caps. All right, and remember, S&P and the NASDAQ will drive these stocks. AHCO, buy signal here, holding above resistance. All right, we're going to bring in another resistance level here. Now it's broken through the first resistance. Let's bring another resistance here. So we need to get past this resistance here. Descent markdown phase down here. All right, AHCO. AMKR, all right, buy signal here. Hey, Taj, welcome, Taj, welcome. All right. All right, here's your markup phase. This is reaccumulation, guys. This is reaccumulation. All right, buy signal here, breaking higher. AMKR. All right, ANF, buy signal here. Look at the previous trade. All right, large cap, guys, they're holding on. Buy signal here, sold here, buy signal here, holding firm. ANF, same thing. CLS, all right, good buy signal. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, buy signal here, holding reaccumulation. Okay, don't be afraid of these reaccumulation trades with the large caps, right? All right, because these big institutions, that's who's buying these large caps, and they're not afraid to continue to move them higher, just like they did here. All right, very different trade than small caps. Okay, CLS, same thing. COHR, holding firm. Hood, Robin Hood. All right, markdown phase. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, holding firm. All right, Robin Hood, buy signal here, holding, nice move on Friday. HQY holding, need to break through that resistance. LRCX, nice break. Look at the previous trades, guys, large caps. All right, so every market, right, you guys, you know, you notice that every market, they're not putting their money, these institutions, in everything, right? They're focused. All right, right now they're focused on the yen pairs, right, for Forex. For equities, stock market, right now they're focused on large caps, all right, and particular sectors, technology, right? If you guys notice here, this is all technology, mainly technology in here, all right? All right, so bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, reaccumulation trade. So new buyers are entering on a buy signal right here, okay? So LRCX. Next one, MPRW, you guys see, right? Bought here, sold here, buy signal here, reaccumulation, all these beautiful green candles. That's what we want to see, all right? Reaccumulation. They can move higher. Netflix, all right? Bought here, sold here, Bought here, sold here, follow your system. Buy signal here on a break of resistance. All right. All green candles. Look at that. Healthy, right? Nice gathering. Buyers are holding and breaking out right here. All right. Netflix. I know it's expensive, but you can get fractional shares. All right. NRIX. Buy signal here. Reaccumulation. Another reaccumulation. All right. Markup phase. Let's draw it out. So there's no reason why we shouldn't take advantage of these trades, right? We can't trade everything. Listen, not everything is moving. All right. Notice we try to find the ones that are moving, right? So you can't trade everything. Find the ones that are moving. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, buy signal here on a big break. Look at that big break of resistance, right? Big candles, nice break of resistance. Buyers are in control there. NVO, same thing. All right. Nice markup phase, reaccumulation, buy signal here, new buyers, price is moving higher. PNN, now this is a little different. Now that's rare right now for large caps. Okay, most of these large cap stocks have gone. All right. So this low in that markdown phase, that's rare. Okay, so you have a chance to get a trade like this, certainly. All right, you can grab it. Markdown phase, accumulation, buy signal, all green candles moving up nicely there. Okay, PENN, PLTR. That's a little choppy here. Hold on. Now this has great fundamentals. That's in the, I think it's in the AI space. Okay, support here, resistance here. We need buyers to get back in, push that price higher above resistance here. All right, PLTR, keep an eye on it. Okay, STGTG, buy signal here, moving up nicely here, all green candles. All right, and Royal Caribbean. All right, we've been talking about this one. Buy signal here, guys, a bit of a pullback, held. Look here, white candle, held. This is a very bullish sign, right? We've got green candles following these this white candle here. All right, so bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, buy signal here, moving up nicely here. And WIX, great trade here. First trade, bought here, sold here, buy signal here on a break of resistance. Keep an eye on this one, purple support and resistance here. All right. So Bull Master, great trades. Remember, these are large caps. Now, Bull Master Pro with fundamentals. Let's go through those. Now, Apple. All right, buy signal was here. Our entry, we waited for a big break of resistance here, and it's holding. All right. Now, the MAG 7. Let's do this quick, and we'll get back, and we'll get our guys right on time here. The Magnificent 7. Okay, let's go through this quickly. Google. All right, buy signal here, holding this on the daily time frame. These stocks really basically holding up the market now. All right, Microsoft, buy signal here, holding firm. Look at the previous trades. This is reaccumulation. Let's move this here. Reaccumulation. All right. Now I know we like to buy in the coming out of the markdown phase. These are different. These are different. You notice that these big institutions, they are holding, they're not letting these trades fall. All right. So our bull master traders, all right, our big traders, I like you on here. All right, these trades, don't be afraid. Now we'll know if sellers come in heavy, we'll know, right? That, you know, the S&P will turn, the NASDAQ will turn. They're not turning yet. All right, so don't miss out on these trades, guys. Okay, right? We don't get these big runs every time. So when we get them, take them. All right. Tesla. No, Tesla is struggling a bit here. All right. So Tesla is struggling right at support. There's nothing here with Tesla. Okay. It's struggling right. Look at that. You guys can see here right at support. We don't have buyers. We don't have sellers, just consolidating right there. Apple. All right. Look at Apple. Buy signal here. All right. Now we do need some buying to come in this week, right, in this market for these stocks to continue to hold and move higher. But they're doing well. All right. They're doing well. Meta. All right. Facebook, new buy signal right here. Now with Facebook, we got to get past resistance here. But look at the trades. All right. Look at the trades. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. Look at how the system is trading it. Okay. Really well. We have a buy signal here, need to break through that resistance. Okay. Worst case scenario, guys, it breaks support. We take a small loss, we get out here. Okay. Just like it did here. But get on these trades. NVIDIA, right? What a great trade with NVIDIA. All right. All right. Buy signal here. This is actually before the 10-to-1 split. Hold on. All right. Buy signal here. Look at that. Buy signal came in at, I know it's split now. It shows 100 here, but it was 1,000. And right now trading at 100, 126. Now, it did a pullback on Friday, but nothing to be concerned with yet. Okay, so it made a high at 140, pullback to 126. Not a big deal. Okay, so far. Okay, things can change. We know that, but so far, not a big deal. Okay, so Apple, ANET holding reaccumulation. You guys see reaccumulation again. Buy signal here, right? Broke resistance here. ARM, all right, same thing, holding. ASPN closed the trade. That's too bad. Great stock here, good fundamentals, right? The buy signal was here. I think our entry, we called it right about here. But guess what? Sellers came in on Friday. So we got a red candle, right? Sell signal, close the trade, please. Okay. So red candle here, sell signal, our white arrow here, close the trade. All right. So yes, it's got great fundamentals, was moving up nicely, but sellers are coming in. All right. And we don't want this to happen. All right. We don't want sellers to come in like this here. So close the trade. So ASPN, close the trade, please. All right. Let's keep going. BROS, continuing to hold it right there. Right. This Bullmaster Pro, guys, with fundamentals. Carver, CAVA, holding firm, nice reaccumulation. Coca-Cola, nice recovery. White candle followed by nice green candle here. Buyers are still holding. That's good. CRDO, that's holding. CRWD, that's holding. CSL, holding. Right now, we just want them to hold, guys. As long as they hold and move higher, we're good. If they give a sell signal, just take that sell signal. If it's a profit, take the profit. If it's a loss, take the loss. All right. No hard feelings. Move on. All right. FORM, buy signal was here on this resistance pullback. All right. But it's holding. We needed to break through resistance this week. All right. Same thing. GVA. All right. Buy signal here. A bit of a pullback. No big deal. Right. Support, resistance. We just need buyers to come on back in, just like they did here. All right. Good. Decent trading. Not great. But bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. We need this one to break through here. Okay. All right. Holding. Eli Lilly, good trade going here. Buy signal here on a break of resistance. A beautiful, right? Beautiful resistance. Nice break. Moving up nicely there. Microsoft looks good. NVIDIA, we talked about NVIDIA. All right. PIPR, keep an eye on it. All right. Here is your resistance. Now we have a new buy signal right at that resistance, but it's retraced just a little from that high. Support is here. We need buyers to come on back. Okay. So guys, when you are, especially our traders, whether it's Monster Scalper, Stock Boss, Bullmaster, when they pull back like this, don't put your stop losses in here. If you're going to put a stop loss, I know some of you like to put a stop loss, put it down here somewhere, okay, below that support, because if you put it anywhere in here, you're going to get stopped out, okay? And that trade could certainly turn around. Buyers could come on back, push that price higher, break to that resistance, okay? So just be aware of that. ROL, reaccumulation. All right, buy signal here, right? See this right here? See how that price came all the way down, held support. This is what will get us out every time, right? We panic, all right? No red candles, no sell signal, held that support, and now it's moving higher, okay? So just be aware of that. TT, all right, TT buy signal here, good trading. Look at that. Really good trading here. I tell you, these large cap stocks, mega cap stocks, really doing well. Okay. Good markup phase. Look at that trend. All right. So there are opportunities. We can't say there aren't any opportunities. There, we just have to look in the right place. So bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, buy signal here, all green candles, just need a breakthrough. Purple support and resistance, keep an eye on that. That looks good. Wing, so wing stop, same thing, almost identical. Now, I've been talking about selling may go away. You guys know that. All right. Right. Did a video on it, but guess what? That's not happening right now. So we've got to follow the price action. All right. So buy signal here on wing stop, buy signal here, all green candles moving higher here. All right. So our stock boss traders, just be careful, not a lot with small cap. All right. But our Bull Master traders, Bull Master Pro, you guys have a lot of opportunities. Okay. This is what the Russell is doing right now. So just be aware. Stock boss traders, be careful. Okay. VIX is at 13. That's low. So low volatility on the VIX. That's good. And it's continuing to stay low, guys. All right. So VIX on the big picture. Now I want to go through all of these markets so that you guys can see, find your opportunities, find your spots. A number of you guys have multiple systems. So if one of your systems, if that market isn't doing well, like Stock Boss, right, go to another market that's doing well. That's the idea. Okay. VIX is at all-time low here on the VIX, 13. Okay, so low volatility, good for stocks. All right. All right. Monster scalper traders, yen pairs, guys. Yen pairs. You guys see here, that's what we trade in, yen pairs. All these are yen pairs. All right, these are yen pairs on the 60 and on the 240. So until things change, that's the trade. All right, that's the trade. Okay. All right, guys. Thanks for coming. Great to see you guys. All right, it's a new week. All right, we have lots of opportunities in certain areas. So it's not what we want to trade. All right, it's what's moving. And that's great examples with the yen pairs. Okay. Look at pound yen. All right. Now, you don't have to trade just pound yen. If I move this to SGD JPY, look at that. So it's not just pound yen, guys. SGD JPY. Look at that. All right. Look at that trade here. Okay. I want to show you guys something. I did some coaching and I went through one of our traders and I was showing him how to do this. You should always have a go-to system or process. So if all else fails, all right, and I'll end with this, I promise. If all else fails, you should always have a go-to. And this is something that you can do, especially our monster scalper traders. Find a pair, and I know we talk about this sometimes, but find a pair. You should always have, you can do it with equities, you can do it with Forex, you can do it with any market. Okay, find a pair that's trending, long or short. I like long. Okay, like here. Every single month, guys, this has been trending. This has been that buy signal on SGD JPY. And I know some of you are intimidated by pound yen because pound yen is volatile, and that's understandable, you know. But guess what? Here's SGD JPY. That buy signal on the monthly came in on 10/29/21. It's been moving straight up. Now, we certainly will not trade it on a monthly time frame, but look at the 60-minute. Okay, and you could trade this over and over and over. Now, will you have some losses? Absolutely. There are periods where you can't trade it, but you can find areas where you could trade between here, this here, that's tradable, right? Probably nothing here. All right, but all of this here, that's tradable in here. Okay, so always have, and I know, right? We like to trade what we like to trade. Okay, but and then if for whatever reason SGD JPY, the yen pairs finally give sell signals, right? You can find other pairs, the dollar pairs. Okay, so always have a system, a small system, all right, that you have. Whether it's this pair or different, just find a pair that's trending, guys. Trending, big trend. All right, this is a big trend. And you can just find opportunities, whether it's on the 60-minute. All right, I know some of you like to do a smaller time frame, 30-minute. Look at the trades here on the 30-minute time frame. All right, so yes, you have the whole markets, but you can find a system. Now, I went through this with, like I said, one of our traders during the coaching, and he's like, David, my best trade was in February. And that's impossible, right? All these opportunities, and we can't have a best trade be in February, all right? All right, so just keep that in mind. Just keep that in mind, okay? Especially our monster scalper traders, especially because I know it's been tough. All right. We haven't had a lot of follow through in the overall market, but these yen pairs have been moving. Okay. So try to be flexible with what you trade. Okay, guys. All right. I know I'm rambling, right? But there are opportunities out there. All right. There are opportunities out there. So find those opportunities and try to be flexible. Okay. All right, guys. Thanks. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great trading week, and hopefully we'll see better direction. Okay, but find your spot, find your opportunities. Take care. Bye bye.